Well, good morning from the Netherlands. Seems like you have been growing, Johan, lately.
Very good.
We have beautiful weather, of course. We don't shoot videos when it rains, so we're always right. And the beautiful Dax Honda ST50 1977. And this Dax is completely restored by the current owner. They are very cute, and you can take them on the camper or in your car to your holiday address and use it. They are very popular. We sold some lately. Very nice color, and there are also pictures from the restoration available. Really nice. Beautiful color. Very, very good condition. And it's a very nice car indeed. You can turn this to the left, and then you can lower the handlebar for easy placement in your car. Camera. Very nice. So if you're interested in this ST50 1977 Dax, contact us. We can give you price information, and we ship worldwide. You can visit us in the Netherlands. You can schedule a video call, and then you can have a look at the website. I think it will be online maybe tomorrow or next week. If you liked the video, subscribe. Thank you. Bye bye.